Alright guys, this time antique catfish. Got me and my daughter-in-law Felicia sitting over here. We riding around a little bit this afternoon. Working our way back towards the house before we come down by the river and look at some of the, see how bad the river's getting up. We've been having a lot of rains, a lot of concerns about the river being at and above flood stage. I believe they said it will peak at I believe it said 379. I believe last I heard it said it was like 377, if I remember correctly from what I'm reading offline. Figure we'd bring you along with us while we just enjoy a little afternoon cruise. Y'all got excuse all my junk hanging on the mirror up here. Alright, I'm gonna turn this thing around. Right now we're on Martin's Landing Road, which Martin's Landing around Martin's Islands, where I do a whole lot of my fishing at. Me and my son-in-law, my boy Andrew, and pretty much whoever else wants to go at the time. We ended our year out last year with a friend of ours from Lauderdale County named Kathy. She wound up hooking into a 35-pound blue, and I tell you what, I've never in my life heard an 808 Zebco reel scream like hers did that night. It was really fascinating. And you talk about an excited woman, her and her husband both. They were so excited they just about dancing on the pontoon. Hey, look at all the little baby calves. They got all the cows out in lower pastures up here close to the roads. See how far down this road we can go before we get stopped. I'm already seeing some water coming up close to the road right here in this little bottom. Oh, me, it's a rough little bump. There's a bridge and a creek we cross right before we get to the main. Whoa, right before we get to the main part of the river, but don't look like we're going to make it to either one of them. Well, this is about as far as we get to go this way now. Now this part of the road we on goes to part of the landing called what used to be called the Upper Landing. I'm honestly not sure what they call it now. I wish I had me some skipjack. Lord, I'd be doing me some fishing off of these backwaters. Somebody feel sorry for me and send me some skipjack. I'll back up here and find somewhere to turn around. Right on top of this hill. Do one of these 10-point turnarounds. Y'all stop me before I get too far in a ditch. Alright, I'm gonna shut this off for a minute, and we're gonna go down to the lower landing and see how bad it is down there. We'll be back shortly. Well, I had a little change of plans. The what they call Swallow Bluff, and there's a little boat landing in the old iron bridge down here on there's main highway 69 south. Goes from this leads into a little town called Saltillo. Last year, this iron bridge down here was, well, all you can see was the top of the bridge pretty much, about the top maybe 5-6 foot of it. And it's a little closer than what the lower landing is. Sorry about that, I turned my car radio bridge. Oh, look at there, it's underwater. We come in from 69 on the other side of the bridge last year, and that's where I caught the blue. It was roughly around 15 pounds. But as you can see, they're obviously not going to let nobody get through there. So it looks like the water's going to be underwater. T-Dot got the roadblock set up. Come on. Ease up just a little bit. I ain't going to try to cross that bridge, but I'm going to turn around. Well, I had to turn around past the road I was intending on turning on. I talked to Brad there for a little while. He works with the Department of Transportation here for this portion of West Tennessee. He said that as of tonight, they was officially going to shut that portion of Highway 69 down. So it will not be passable. Sign back there said this was impassable during high water. Back there in the video back there on that bridge, that water was, he said it was up to just at the white lines on each side of the bridge when he pulled up there this morning. And now it's just about got up to the yellow lines, just about covered the bridge, the asphalt on the bridge. I'm gonna go a little further up through here. I already know this road was underwater up here somewhere. Just see where it's at. Don't believe the flood this year is going to reach to the extent of what it did last spring. Last spring's floods was definitely record floods. Last year was a record year period for weather phenomenons, I guess the word for it. We had the biggest flood we'd had since back in 18 something, I believe, if somebody correct me. 18. I can't remember. I was saying it earlier today. I can't remember what it said. And then we had, I reckon, our first hurricane back in October. The county's still trying to rebuild and get back together, recuperate from it. Now here we are. We're starting to flood again. One of our local campgrounds, called Beach Bend, part down in Perryville. The way I understand, I haven't been there to see it yet, but the way I understand it, campsites a whole bunch of campsites are underwater, boat ramps, the docks. There's a little river between here and Parsons. It's called Beach River. A little spot between the two towns. Got a little dirt boat ramp, a little small river we like to get in. It kind of makes you think of that river that oh Lord, I'll think of the name in a minute. Chris Flores fishes in. It's what it is. It's about like fishing in a ditch. It's such a small little river. But it's all up. Got the parking lot flooded. And it sets down low, so I don't think it's going to take a lot more than what it is now to get to the highway. But it's got a whole lot of area to go before it can get to the highway. The boat ramp itself is probably 10 feet underwater now. I actually done went further. Whoop, there it is. I actually done went further than I thought it would. I put up videos and pictures before of Martin's Landing. I don't know if I got any of the fancy houses up on the stilts. There's all sorts of houses out there. Not all sorts. There's about 8 or 10, 15. I'm going to try to turn this. I don't know if y'all see it way over yonder on that hillside and zoom in on them. A bunch of cattle up there that I'm trying to get up in run to the high ground. Yeah. See if I can turn this thing around here, do no one of them 10-point turns. I may attempt to go to the other side of that old iron bridge, see what it looks like on the other end. Well, we know what it looks like. It looks like water. But see if maybe it's up high enough I'm fishing. Surely I can come on some shad or skipjack somewhere. If nothing else, I can go down in my pond and get a couple of bluegill. Get about 3 or 4 bluegill, try them. But anyway, I guess that's going to be it for right now. I'll really impressed that Tabby standing up there like it is. I guess I'll be back here in a snap.